My dear friends, let's go on a delicious journey today through the annals of baking history. Picture this, a world without the humble cookie tray. Unthinkable, right? But there was indeed a time when bakers toiled in a land bereft of this trusty kitchen companion. Our story begins in the bustling kitchens of medieval Europe. In those days, bakers crafted their sweet treats on large, heavy stone slabs. These slabs were effective at evenly distributing heat, but were cumbersome and a nightmare to clean. Imagine trying to lift a hot stone slab laden with delicate pastries. It was a recipe for disaster. Enter the 17th century, a period brimming with culinary innovation. As trade routes expanded and new ingredients flooded European markets, the demand for baked goods soared. Bakers, ever the inventive bunch, sought more practical means to churn out their delectable creations. And thus, the precursor to our beloved cookie tray was born. In France, the land of fine dining and culinary prowess, bakers began experimenting with sheets of metal. These early trays were fashioned from copper and tin, materials prized for their excellent heat conductivity. The lightweight, portable metal sheets were a revelation, allowing bakers to produce perfectly golden cookies with unprecedented ease. The French, always ahead of the curve, called these trays plaque à pâtisserie, a term that has since evolved into baking sheet or cookie tray in English-speaking countries. But the cookie tray's journey was far from over. As it spread across Europe, each region added its unique twist. In England, bakers began using cast iron, which, while heavier, retained heat exceptionally well. Meanwhile, in Germany, the land of precision engineering, bakers developed trays with raised edges to prevent precious cookie dough from spilling over. The Industrial Revolution of the 19th century was a game changer for the cookie tray. With the advent of mass production, these metal sheets became more affordable and accessible to the average household. Factories churned out trays in various shapes and sizes, and bakers rejoiced as they could now bake large batches of cookies with consistent results. The cookie tray became an indispensable tool in every kitchen, a silent partner in the quest for sweet perfection. As we fast forward to the 20th century, we see the cookie tray evolve once more. Non-stick coatings were introduced, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring that even the stickiest of doughs slid off effortlessly. Silicone mats, designed to fit snugly into cookie trays, offered a reusable and eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. Innovation continued to march forward, fueled by our insatiable love for cookies. Today, the cookie tray stands as a symbol of baking ingenuity, a testament to centuries of culinary evolution. It is transformed from a simple metal sheet into a sophisticated tool that brings joy to millions. Whether you're baking a batch of classic chocolate chip cookies or experimenting with avant-garde confections, the cookie tray is there, steadfast and reliable. So, the next time you slide a tray of cookies into the oven, take a moment to appreciate this unassuming hero of the kitchen. Remember the bakers of yore who paved the way with their ingenuity and creativity, and most importantly, savor every bite of those delicious cookies, for they are the sweet fruits of a rich and storied history. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.